Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create WhatsApp group without adding someone or without adding any contacts, right? So when I just go to my WhatsApp and try to create a group here, this is a new group, it will ask me to add, right? So there is one person, that is a one solution, because without adding somebody, if I just go and try to just make a group, it will ask me to at least add one contact must be selected, right? For example, then there's a one solution that add your number. For example, whatever your number is, you can just go and create your own number here and you can just text that same person, right? Or for example, you can just create a group here and let me just add somebody, right? This is my own number. I will just go and add this here, click on done, and once the group is done, right, you can just move that person out. So you can just here remove, right, and I will just click on OK, and now you are only one in this group. So this is a only one solution that you can just create a WhatsApp group without adding someone, right? So you will be only one, you will be in this group and nobody will else in your group, right? So you can just add somebody and instantly you can remove that contact. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.